In this video, we will learn the relationship between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. It's tricky to see how AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI actually fit together, isn't it? AI is changing everything, from how doctors diagnose to how Netflix suggests your next binge watch. Understanding AI isn't just cool, it's a career superpower, opening doors to exciting innovations. Think of artificial intelligence as the big umbrella where machines try to think and act like humans. Machine learning is how we teach AI by feeding it data, not by writing every single rule. Deep learning uses brain-inspired neural networks to spot patterns in huge amounts of information. Generative AI is where deep learning gets creative, making everything from fake cats to catchy tunes. So machine learning isn't separate from AI. It's actually a part of the AI picture. And deep learning? It's a specialized type of machine learning that uses those neural networks. Generative AI then takes deep learning's power to create brand new things, like art or music. So it's AI, then machine learning, then deep learning, and finally, generative AI. Think chatbots that answer questions or AI tools that create stunning images from just a prompt. Knowing this AI family helps you pick the perfect tool, like a deep learning framework for image tasks. Congrats! You've unlocked the AI family tree and know how it all connects. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.